Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about HogWorkz Tour Packs for your Harley-Davidson. Now, this is pretty trick from HogWorkz. If your bike came without a tour pack, if you have a Harley touring model back to '97 or an M8 Softail model 2018 and up, you can very easily add a tour pack to it, and it comes with a bunch of possibilities for OEM color match paint. See on our website, there's a bunch of color options available. You won't even have to paint this thing. It'll have OEM paint right on it. And the other thing is it comes with a way to mount it. We'll get back to that in a second, but let's talk more about the tour pack. ABS plastic, very durable, color match, comes with a nice backrest for your passenger. This is what they call the chopped model, or what we like to call like the pizza box, a nice narrow one, so if you don't want that really big tour pack. The King version is more like your standard Ultra Tour Pack, very full version, about twice this high. Now, to mount this onto your bike, you're gonna need one of these right here. This is the bracket that comes with it. The bracket's about 159 bucks, while the tour packs range from 650 to 750. So you're gonna be into this for just under 1,000 bucks. What's really nice though is you have this black powder coated rack, and it comes with quick detach hardware right on the outside. So just like if you have a quick detach sissy bar or something like that, this snaps on there in a matter of seconds. So once you get the hardware on your bike, you wanna go for a trip somewhere, you can just snap this on in under a minute, have a full-on tour pack right there with a nice big pad for your passenger to rest up against. Like I said, pretty trick, really, when you think about if you want a tour pack, you have a street glide or a road glide. There's not a lot of messing around here, not a lot of wonky hardware, and you can get back to that really slick, like street glide, road glide look. Or if you have a lowrider ST, you have the bags on there, you have the fairing, you want a little more capacity when you're traveling, you can snap one of these things on in a matter of seconds, and you have a full-on touring setup. Really good idea from HogWorkz, executed really well. You don't have to do any extra messing around to get it painted. Everything's done for you. If you're looking for more information, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about all of these tour packs. Still need more information? Feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.